However, one of our customers has asked us about filtering date fields when working with FoxPro RTB driver. Is his question. Filtering dates. The dates, of course, can be filtered using a validate object, but since he wants to use SQL, let me show how it can be done. There are FoxPro conventions. We need to find employees table, and we have birth dates. Right. As you can see, it is not working. Terrible disaster. So we can also try a standard DVC format, which I always suggest because it works most of the time. And again, it is not working. So what we need to do instead, we need to use FoxPro specific syntax. Where is that? And then it works. Miracle, isn't it? Well, again, I'm very happy that our customer asked this question, and I hope it will benefit a number of our existing users. If you have any questions or suggestions or confused about anything, just post them on our support forum, and you'll be surprised how fast you will get the answer. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.